Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So we will continue that tangent normal problems. So last class or last video we solved so many problems in finding slope of the tangent, slope of the normal, as well as finding the point on the curve where tangent is parallel to x-axis. So once again we are going to solve same type of problem where we are going to find out the points on the curve under the different condition. The question is as follows: find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Okay. So here the tangent is parallel to another line and that line is a chord joining the 2 points on this curve. Okay, joining the 2 points on this curve. So diagram you can write like this. So take a p of x comma y as a point on the curve. Okay, then diagram will be like this. So this is a given curve of the equation. This is a tangent, this is a chord. Given that tangent is parallel to the chord. Tangent is parallel to the chord. Okay, so first you should write a condition in terms of dy by dx and equate with some number. Okay, dy by dx should be equated to some number so that we can find out the point on the curve using derivatives. So to find dy by dx in terms of number, use this condition. How to use this condition? Yeah, what is dy by dx represent? Slope of the tangent. Okay, tangent at the point x comma y, and it is equal to, because when two lines are parallel, slopes are equal, alva. When two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So slope of this tangent is equal to slope of this chord. And to find out slope of the chord, two endpoints of the chords are given. Two endpoints of the chords are given. So I'll show you how to get it. Yeah, if two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slope of the chord is equal to slope of the tangent, therefore, right? Yes. So what is slope of the chord? When you know 2 points on the line, how to get the slope of the line? Yeah, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is slope of the chord? It's 2-point form, you know that. Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. So it will be 4 by 2 and it is equal to 2. If opponent pidelo y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, so slope of the chord is 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now what is given? Tangent is parallel to chord, so slope of the tangent must be is equal to slope of the chord. So therefore slope of the tangent is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent is equal to 2. And also we know that slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx, right? Slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx at the point, so dy by dx must be equal to 2. So now you can start your work. This is a given data, so idu itara baribekandide question artha agirbeku nenpilli, and you should know some concept which you learn in the different chapters. Okay, so now using the given data and the concept which you learn in different concepts, when you combine, you will get dy by dx equal to 2. Suppose if you not get this, you cannot continue this work. Remember that. Idu barade ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So ಇದು ಬರೆಯುವಂತ ತುಂಬಾ important. So read the question again and again, understand what is given, and use of your knowledge. Okay, from first PC and second PC, write dy by dx in terms of a number. Okay, so we got dy by dx equal to 2. So now what we should do? We should differentiate the curve. Which curve we have to differentiate? Y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. We have to differentiate this with respect to x. Chain rule, alba. It's a form of x square or f of x whole square. So what is the differentiation? 2 into x minus 2 into differentiation of x minus 2. Differentiation of x minus 2 is to 1. So nothing is there to multiply. Yes. Now this 2 into x minus 2 will be equal to 2, because we know we have the condition that dy by dx equal to 2. So 2 into x minus 2 will be equal to 2, so that this 2 and these 2 cancel. Okay, this is from 1, you know that. Okay, so 2 get cancelled. So what is remaining? X minus 2 equal to what? See, sometimes what you will do is you cancel ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, so ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 0 ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ as a mark. Remember that. So when you cancel, you divided, not subtracted. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, you will get some answer and you will not come to know that it is wrong. So be careful. When you cancel, it is 1, not 0. So x minus 2 will be equal to 1. So what is x? X will be 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So we got x coordinate of the point. Now how to get y coordinate of this point? Yeah, you know that this point should be substituted in the curve equation. Okay, so when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 3, substitute in this equation y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. You will get the value of y also. Alva? Yes, so it is 1. So what is our required point? The point where the tangent is parallel to chord is ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೆ, ಬರೆಯೋತಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, 1,3 ಬರೆಯೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ write the final answer properly. So substitute the x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, you will get 3, 1. 1,3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 100% 1 mark ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. So careful ಆಗಿರಿ. x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, so the required point is 3, 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So second problem I solved where you are going to find out the points under the given ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Find the point. See, as I told, you still more come, okay, in the same type of problem. So next question, find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which tangent is. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ tangent equation ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Equation of tangent is given, equation of curve is given. You have to find out the point of contact between these two curve. Suppose if you differentiation ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. Suppose if you use that, if you get answer, okay, nothing will happen because right, even that method is also right. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, because we have some tools, okay, from derivatives to solve this problem, okay, which is better than solving some cubic equation. Okay, ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, this is a tangent, okay, this will be the tangent to this curve. Correct? Since this is a tangent to this curve, slope of this tangent is equal to slope of the tangent to this curve, which you can obtain from the derivative. So as I told in the previous problem, writing dy by dx in terms of number is very very important. Remember that. So we are going to do that now. Given the equation of tangent to the curve is y is equal to x minus 11. It is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. ನೆನಪಿದೆಲ್ಲ slope intercept form. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what is the slope? Slope ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ as a coefficient of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ coefficient of x ಏನು 1. So m will be equal to 1. So because of this concept which you studied in first basic straight line, slope of the tangent is equal to 1 and it will be denoted by m. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Now since slope of the tangent of the curve is 1, okay, so from the differentiation you can obtain one more slope so that we can equate. So y is equal to x cube minus 11x. Ilon condition bari, but okay, it's okay, we can do that, okay, in the next step. So once we understood the slope of the tangent is 1, now you have to get that using derivatives also. So how to get from the derivative? You have to differentiate this. So differentiate ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, simple differentiation, easily anyone can manage this. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 11. Now what does dy by dx represent? Dy by dx at the given point represents slope of the tangent to the curve, and already we know slope of the tangent is 1. So 3x square minus 11 must be equal to, yes, 1. If 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1, what is 3x square? 12. X square 4. X plus or minus 2. Don't forget this. Illo one mistake ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, -2 ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. So out of 2 points you are writing one answer, and 30% you left. So definitely you lose a marks. So here you must write plus or minus 2. So there are two cases and you have to find out the values of y in both different cases. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? You got the coordinates of both points, x coordinate of the both points. So now you have to obtain y coordinate of the point. ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? x equal to plus or minus 2. To get y, don't substitute here. This is always raised. Remember that. Don't substitute here. Always substitute in the equation of the curve. Okay. That I will show you now. When x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, substitute in this equation. ಯಾವ್ದು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. y is equal to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. Tell me quickly what is the answer. You should be very quick in calculation and you should be very careful because ಇಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 cube 8, 11 into 22 plus 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it is 8 plus 5 will be 13, 13 minus 12, sorry 13 minus 22. What is 13 minus 22? Minus 9. So when x is equal to 2, the y coordinate of the point is minus 9. So the required point is 2, minus 9. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೇ ತರ when x is equal to minus 2. Again you are going to substitute this. Which one? Minus 2 you are substituting. What is minus 2 whole cube? Okay, what is the minus 2 whole cube? Tell me. Minus 8, because when the power is odd, okay, it's cube, okay, or it's power 5, definitely negative. So minus 8 plus minus so plus 22 and plus 5. So answer is 19. 27 minus 8 and then 19. So this represents y coordinate of the point when x coordinate is minus 2. So what is the final answer? The point is minus 2 comma 19. So underline both these two answers, okay, or write again the points are, the required points are, you can write like that, okay. So the points are 2 comma minus 9 as well as minus 2 comma 19. I hope you understood. Very good. So next question. Find the equation of the lines having slope is equal to minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 minus x minus 1, sorry, 1 by x minus 1, where x should be not equal to 1, because x equal to 1 the denominator agate 0 agate, denominator 0 adre function iralla, okay, remember that. So x should be not equal to 1. Okay, last three problems only we are finding points. We didn't, okay, solve anywhere, find equation of tangent or normal. Now we are going to solve some problem of the kind finding equation of tangent or equation of line normal. Okay, here we have to find out equation of the all lines having slope equal to minus 1. These lines are nothing but tangent of this curve at x is equal to minus 1. Okay, yeah. So what we should do? We have to differentiate. This question may have some different method to solve this, but definitely don't use any other method. This derivative method is, or differentiation method is the best method, so we will follow that. Yeah, what is given? Slope of the tangent is minus 1. What is slope of the tangent? We know in terms of derivatives. Yeah, we know that dy by dx is represent slope of the tangent. So dy by dx must be equal to minus 1. So to equate with minus 1, we need dy by dx. How you will get that dy by dx from y? So differentiate y. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Is differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? See, you can use a quotient rule. Definitely you will usually use, you will use that. But instead of quotient rule, the chain rule method is better. One step answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Quotient rule badmele simplification ಆಗಬೇಕು, differentiation ಆಗಬೇಕು, okay? Instead of that, directly you can write the differentiation, okay, using this method. Derivative or differentiation of 1 by f of x is minus f dash of x by f of x whole square, or 1 by minus 1 by f of x whole square into f dash of x. So in the pattern ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, so what is the answer? What is f of x? X minus 1. ಇದು f of x. So differentiate minus alva, because this minus will come 1 by f of x whole square andre 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Then differentiation of x minus 1, 1. So that f dash of x is not visible because its differentiation is 1. So this is d by dt. See, one simple answer ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು. Quotient rule apply ಮಾಡೋದು, simplify ಮಾಡೋದು, nothing, not required actually. So d by dx is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. What we know? We know that d by dx is equal to minus 1. So you are going to equate now. Minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1. So that from both sides the minus will get cancelled. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Sure, no? So I'm moving to next slide. Yes. So we have this. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus minus cancel. Okay, and cross multiply. You'll get 1 is equal to x minus 1 whole square. Take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides. So when you take square root on both sides, I hope you remember, the right hand side will become plus or minus 1, or and position change, interchange madine confusion agbidi. This plus or minus 1 I wrote here. When you take square root, remember, definitely you will get plus or minus. So you must write. Once again, if you just write plus 1, you left one part. So definitely lose a marks. Okay, remember that. Now it will split into two cases. Why it will split into two cases? There are two possibilities. X minus 1 is equal to 1. First case, x minus 1 is equal to 1. Second case, x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So take separately. Suppose x minus 1 is equal to 1 adre enagate x is equal to 2 alva. Next x equal to 0 because minus 1 cancel. Now find out the points, because in the given question points are missing. When x is equal to 2, substitute here. In barate y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, again 1. So the first point where you have to find out the lines, okay, the tangent is 2 comma 1. Artha agtide alva? What is the second case? X minus 1 is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Y is equal to 1 by 0 minus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes, it is nothing but minus 1. So what is the point? point is 0 comma minus 1. Now we got x1 y1, two different lines are there, remember that. Okay, there are two cases, so you will get two equations of straight line. Here point very good. Yeah, once again I'll write the 2 points. Points are 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Now at these 2 points you have to find out equation of straight line. So the points are 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Now we have to find out equations of straight line at these 2 points. So I'll just give you the substitution, you have to complete this, okay? So therefore equations are, I hope you know how to get the equation of this line, okay? When you know the point and the slope. Slope is minus 1. What are the points? These two. So y minus y1 equal to slope into x minus x1, and y minus of minus 1 and the y plus 1 into minus 1, okay? Slope is minus 1, x minus 0. So better simplify, okay? So better you simplify this and complete it. So I hope you understood. Therefore, two equations of straight lines are these two, and these are nothing but two tangents to the curve where, okay, the slope is equal to minus 1 for the given curve. I hope you understood. Very good. So next question. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 3 where x is not equal to 3. This is similar to the previous question, so this will be for homework. Similar type. I'll minus 1 until slope, the slope is equal to minus 4. I'll 1 by x minus 1 until 1 by x minus 3. So I'm not going to work out. Just note down. Okay, this is visible, but solution is not visible for you. So please work out yourself. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the next question. Find the equation of the lines having the slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. This is also similar to previous question. So I'm giving one more homework problem for you. Remember that you have to work out both these two. Okay, yeah. So next question, find the points on the curve, okay, x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. This is an important question. This will be a very, very important question. Please remember. So I'm going to solve this. Observe carefully. Yeah, so find the points on the curve at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. If any line is parallel to x-axis, its slope will be equal to 0. If any line parallel to y-axis, its slope does not exist. So we are using these two concepts to find out the points on the curve at which, okay, tangent is parallel to x-axis as well as tangent is parallel to y-axis. There are two problems. Example, okay. So first consider the equation x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. X square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Which is the first work? Differentiation, or write down what is given. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x using implicit function differentiation. So here we will differentiate first, then we will write what is given. Okay, so differentiate using implicit function differentiation. I hope you remember that. X square differentiation enagate 2x by 9, correct? Y square differentiation enagate 2y into y dash by 16 equal to differentiation of 1 will be 0. Rearrange. 2y into y dash by 16 is equal to minus 2x by 9. So 2 cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So y dash is equal to 16 by 9 minus 16 by 9, correct? So into this x, y dash is equal to minus 16 by 9 into x. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? y dash ಬೇಕು. So y dash ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು? Yeah, this implies y dash is equal to minus 16 by 9 into x by y. Now what is known here? What is given? Given is slope of the, okay. So y dash is equal to minus 16 by 9 into x by y. What does this represent? This represents slope of the tangent to the curve, minus 16 by 9 into x by y. Now what is given? Given is line is tangent is parallel to x-axis. Since tangent is parallel to x-axis, the slope of the tangent should be is equal to 0 because slope of x-axis is 0. So slope of the tangent is 0. Therefore which is 0? Yeah. See, tangent is parallel to x-axis, and the slope of the tangent must be 0 because slope of x-axis is 0. So slope of the tangent, dy by dx equal to 0. So which is 0 now? This expression will be 0. And then minus 16 by 9 into x by y will be equal to 0. So denominator direct 0 multiply agate. So you will get x is equal to 0. Now substitute this value of x is equal to 0 in this expression. Check ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. The full term will be 0, so y square by 16 is equal to 1. So y square is equal to 16. So what is y? Y will be equal to plus or minus 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one value of x, two values for y. Usually you will get two values for x, one value for y, but here little different. X value is single, but y values are double. Okay, plus as well as minus. So we record only the points and we got it. So which are the points? Tell me. The points are 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. So the question is find the points on the curve where tangent is parallel to x-axis. Remember, out of two parts, one part is over, which is points on the curve where tangent is parallel to x-axis. Understood? So what are the points? 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. We have one more question parallel to y-axis. If tangent is parallel to y-axis, the slope of the tangent does not exist, because any line parallel to y-axis means it's a vertical line. Slope of the vertical line does not exist. Okay, so we are going to use that to solve this case, parallel to y-axis. Given that parallel to y-axis, the slope of y-axis does not exist, therefore slope of the tangent is also does not exist. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 0 does not exist. Okay, so what is dy by dx? Minus 16 by 9 into x by y does not exist. When this ratio does not exist, when the denominator is 0, so y will be equal to 0. Now substitute this value of y. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, so just ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, sentence. Now when y is equal to 0, substitute here. What you will get? X square by 9 is equal to 0. X square is equal to, okay, x square plus 0 equal to 1, that is x square is equal to 9. If x square is equal to 9, x is equal to plus or minus 3. In one value of y, two values for x. So which are the points? The points are 3, 0 as well as minus 3, 0. In mistake ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, because you have got first y value then x value. First you got y value, then you got x value. So when you write first x value, then write y value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ confusion ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, 0, 3 and 0, minus 3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ completely wrong. So it is 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. I hope you understood. So this is also one very important question. You may get an exam for 3 marks. ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ one case ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I hope you understood. Okay, so we will continue the remaining problems in next class. Thank you.